Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to make karaage. Do you know karaage? Karaage is one of the most popular foods in Japan. It's something that you can eat at home or in Izakaya at the restaurant. It's fried chicken nuggets and it's really easy to make. You can make it yourself by gathering the ingredients, but many Japanese people, they actually buy this kind of packs in which all the ingredients are already. It's a kind of flour. So all you have to do is get one of those. And today I bought two types. One is both got a Grand Prix. So they are awarded packs. So I bet they must be really good. And this one is not only soy sauce, it's also a garlic flavor. But I think that today I'm going to go for the plain flavor, which is soy sauce shoyu flavor. So I'm going to use this one. And it's really easy because these packs are pretty light. It's something like 100 grams, I think. Yes, these are 100 grams packs. So very easy to bring back to your country. And also you're going to see the cooking. It's so easy. All you need is some chicken. So I bought two types today. I think that the chicken with some fat in it is good, because when you fry it, then the fat remains and it makes juicy chicken nuggets, doesn't it? But I thought I would also give it a try with some chicken breast that I found. In Japan, they sell it, as a whole, like this, the whole chicken breast, but also sliced like this. This is very convenient. And it's called sasami. Voila, sasami is very convenient. That would be, we have in France duck aiguillette, we call this. Those thin slices of chicken, or, well, in France's case, it's the camo, the duck breast sliced thinly, like this, even more thinly. But this, I think, will make a nice, karaage. Voila, that will make a nice chunks of chicken. And in Japan they sell these cut, it's already cut, the chicken, and it's to make karaage. So you see it's almost 1 bite slices, 1 to 2 bites. Voila. So I'm going to use those two types of chicken. And also, if you have some, I think you could put some salad with it, but usually in Japan they serve it with thinly sliced cabbage, but it's Japanese cabbage that we can eat raw. It's really good. I'm not sure the cabbage you can find in your countries will be okay, but if not, I think you can use some salad, like lettuce or other salad. And also it's good to have some lemon. Also mayonnaise. Some people like to have a mayonnaise with their karaage, those chicken nuggets. But you especially need the lemon, because the lemon is good to balance the fat, the fat that comes from the fried chicken. So usually it's good to have some lemon. So now I'm going to cook it. Mixed ingredients. So I washed my cabbage and now I'm making really thin slices with it. Okay, then we can add some lemon slice. Voila, that should do. Okay, so now let's mix the flour with some water. So even if you don't speak Japanese or you can't read Japanese, usually those packs are really easy to understand, because there are drawings at the back of the pack. So you see, you just have to mix. I think you can assume that you just have to mix the pack with, okay, I am giving you the secret. This is water usually that you mix with those packs. And as for the quantity, it's written here. Okay, this is one pack, 100 grams, water, half a cup or 100 cc. And then you should be able to fry about 500 grams of chicken. So really, I think that these are super convenient to bring back home, but also they make a really delicious dish, because those karaage, those deep fried chicken bites are so delicious. So let's mix our pack with some water. Very easy. So you see, it's some flour. Then just add the water, little at a time. Oh well, maybe not. Oh my, it smells already of karaage. This is a very yummy smell. Well, I can add the rest of it. So that's 100 milliliters of water. Okay, so now it's all mixed, the pack with the water, into a smooth paste, kind of a dough. So here I have my chicken. So now I'm mixing the chicken in the karaage mix. Okay, so the chicken has been soaking into the karaage mix for about 10 minutes. So now I can deep fry it. Okay, now try with the yummy chicken breast. So this is our karaage. Let's try it. See if it's juicy inside. Look at this nice golden color. Bon appétit! Crunchy, crispy outside. And so juicy inside. This karaage, this brand is really good. Here is the pack. It got an award, and I understand why, because it makes really tasty karaage that have nothing to envy to the karaage you can find in Izakaya restaurants. So here is a good idea to bring back home, to cook for yourself and even to your friends. Enjoy.